What are you thankful for the year 2025? Hello guys, it's Pinay in Canada. It's Celine Constantino Flores, and I'd like to share with you all the things that I was grateful for the year 2025. It was truly indeed a year of breakthrough for me and for my family as we are able to be complete in Canada, as well as be able to obtain our dream restaurant na pinapangarap namin since I landed here in Canada. So it took me more than a decade to make it happen, and with determination, hard work, and talagang yung asking for God's intervention, we were able to make it happen. But it wasn't easy, and it wasn't like a bed of roses, for sure. So kahit naman siguro sa ang negosyo, talagang hindi ganun kadali sa umpisa. So we were able to surpass our first 6 months of operation, and we are just grateful for the love of the people, the welcoming community of Humboldt and area, as well as the support of all the people, our staff, our family members, especially yung asawa ko. Very grateful din ako dyan. So, I'm very grateful as well sa mga connections that I was able to create with a lot of entrepreneurs, business owners in town. So, of course, hindi rin mawawala yung God's guidance and yung good health ng aming buong pamilya at ng aming pamilya sa Pilipinas na mga naiwanan. So, very grateful talaga kami kay Lord despite na may mga heartaches at heartbreaks na nangyari na hindi naman talaga maiiwasan sa kahit na sino sigurong buhay ng tao or buhay natin is mas lamang pa rin talaga yung maraming blessings ni Lord. Kaya naman, we are very grateful sa Panginoon sa um, full of blessings na taon ng 2025. Now, as we move forward to 2026, we are still asking for God's guidance, intervention, and His precious blood to cover us, to be away, like us to be away from harm, from any type of negativities and evil eyes, as well as any type of heartbreaks for this year. So we are praying for everyone's safety and everyone's prosperity and good health for this year 2026. So yun lang. Happy New Year and stay safe.